ReadyKey is the leading mobile app platform for the EHS and compliance spaces, putting critical information into employees' pockets, anytime, anywhere. With our award-winning no-code content management system, you can easily build reliable custom mobile apps to provide instant access to personalized and location-specific information that is accessible offline and in multiple languages. We help leaders implement a no-excuses culture where information can always be accessed and team members are no longer chained to their desks or paper. Some of the most popular features on our platform are: store multiple content types in one place, such as text, image, PDFs, and videos. With offline availability, employees can typically access at least 80% of the app's content anytime, anywhere without having to rely on an internet connection. Complete custom forms and surveys and export or integrate data and insights instantly. Allow users to scan QR codes on items like machinery, vehicles, or doors to immediately access the right information every time. Interactive site maps and floor plans allow your employees to find information about a specific location, room, or area with just a simple tap on the screen. Build powerful, white-labeled, fully customizable apps with our award-winning CMS platform. Make changes to content in seconds and easily drag and drop the features and tools that you want to include in your app, all with no technical experience required. Arm your employees with instant mobile access to important information that can be segmented based on location, job role, or seniority. Simple integrations with our industry-leading open API gives leaders peace of mind that information within the app is always accurate and up-to-date, with no duplication of efforts. Send immediate or scheduled push notifications to individual users, select groups, or company-wide to rise above the noise of other saturated forms of communication. With a full metrics dashboard, admins can continuously evolve and improve the app and their processes to better support employees. For example, if certain documents are being regularly accessed, admins can add in more information on that topic or run a specific training session. ReadyKey empowers leading global organizations to mobilize critical resources and information at scale and is the perfect solution for a number of industries and use cases, including emergency preparedness. With ReadyKey, a global food and beverage company increased confidence by 70% by digitizing and mobilizing its emergency action plans from paper to mobile. Compliance communications. Johnson & Johnson mobilized the sharing of region-specific compliance information to ensure employees have instant access to relevant information in any language or location. Disaster response. A nationwide healthcare company has utilized ReadyKey for disaster response since 2017, ensuring that every employee has a plan of action in their pocket during any emergency. Onboarding. A multinational telecoms provider equips interns with powerful mobile app tools to increase engagement and to make the onboarding process seamless. Factory digitization. Mondelez utilizes digital forms and QR codes to give employees immediate access to machine information, SOPs, OPLs, training manuals, and more, all accessible offline. These are just a few examples of the various industries and use cases where a ReadyKey app can help improve efficiency, engagement, and communications. Check out our website at www.readykey.com, where you can find more content such as case studies, insightful blog posts, and recordings of educational webinars. Want a personalized demo? Send us a message, and don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn, where you can stay up to date on the latest news regarding live webinars, events, partnerships, and more.